A dark cloud hangs over our nation today as we grapple with the tragic mid-air collision between a passenger plane and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter near Reagan National Airport. The harsh reality is stark and unforgiving. There are confirmed fatalities. The chilling event unfolded in the icy skies above the Potomac River, where the aircrafts, engulfed in a catastrophic dance, plummeted into the freezing waters. A frantic search and rescue mission is currently underway, with first responders battling not only the clock, but also the biting cold and treacherous conditions. Their bravery shines like a beacon in our darkest hour, a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity. The nation's leader, President Trump, has made a statement regarding this tragic incident. His words echo the sentiments of a nation in mourning, reminding us of the fragility of life and the courage of those who risk their lives to protect ours. In the midst of the chaos, the haunting sounds of air traffic audio recordings capture the moments leading up to the collision, a chilling reminder of the suddenness with which disaster can strike. Reagan National Airport remains closed, its usual bustle replaced with an eerie silence that serves as a somber tribute to the lives lost. House Minority Leader Jeffries has expressed condolences, his heartfelt words resonating with the sorrow that has blanketed the nation. This shared grief has brought communities together, as a citywide prayer vigil is planned in Wichita. In these shared moments of silence and prayer, we find unity and strength. The recovery efforts are a race against time, made even more challenging by the dangerous conditions in the water. The anticipated timeline stretches into multiple days, a testament to the magnitude of this disaster. Yet, in the face of adversity, our resolve remains unbroken. In summary, we find ourselves in the aftermath of a tragic mid-air collision near Reagan National Airport, with confirmed fatalities and ongoing search and rescue operations. The nation's leaders have expressed their condolences, and communities are coming together in shared grief. The recovery efforts continue, a symbol of our determination and resilience. As we move forward, we remember the lives lost, the bravery of our first responders, and the unity that binds us together in times of adversity. In the face of this tragedy, we stand strong, a nation united in grief, resilience, and hope.